Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna try. I think I've done this whole route before. Oh, I was gonna do Cambridge. Yeah, let's try this. Cambridge. Just a casual row, nothing too big. Let's try. Okay. If I'm gonna record me on the virtual reality, I like the idea of doing it when it's something that I haven't done before. So I've done most of the HoloFit worlds for rowing, but this one I did not do. It's called Cambridge. I'm rowing, I guess, around near Boston. And I've got it looks like I'm rowing in a race. There are other people here. I'm just taking it easy though. These guys can blow past me, I'm okay with that. Now I've already been rowing for 20 minutes today, so we'll see how long this lasts. I just feel like taking it easy, nice and relaxing row. Whoa. Woo. Where I'm rowing, I'm on a river, and there's hot air balloons all around in the air. So it's pretty cool scenery. Oh my goodness. Oh dear. Okay, there's prizes. There's a trophy. Here we go. I'm picking up trophies along the way. I just found a buoy. That's one thing I like about this mode of HoloFit. It's called the Explore mode. And in Explore, I'm not really trying to compete. I'm just sort of taking in the scenery and getting a little exercise in. But at the same time, they kind of gamify it by allowing me to collect trophies. And makes it a little more fun, I have to admit. Okay. Like I said, I'll probably quit after 10 minutes. And yes, this is hard work. This rowing machine has more than one, sorry, had to get another trophy. The rowing machine has multiple resistance settings. It uses what's called magnetic resistance, so it's pretty smooth, but it goes from 1 through 8. I am currently in resistance mode 4. my goal is to keep increasing that resistance mode and get into better and better shape. This is a relatively inexpensive rower. I got it mainly to use with the virtual reality headset, the Oculus, but I didn't want to spend a fortune, so I went on Facebook Marketplace and found some folks in Thousand Oaks who were selling this guy for $150 used. On Amazon, the rower sells for $240 new, so it's still a relatively inexpensive rower regardless. I also like the rowing machine because it is easy to stand up on one end and roll over to a wall to keep it out of the way. Okay, I'm at 5 minutes now. We'll see if I feel like putting in another 5 minutes. Woo! I've collected 4 out of 21 trophies for this world, the Cambridge world. In some of the other worlds, in most of the other worlds, I've collected most of the trophies. In a couple of the other worlds, I collected all of the trophies. The other worlds include like Antarctica, Saturn, some funky named ones, Troglodyte, I think there's one called Babylon or Sablone. Woo! Okay, I'm getting tired. Okay, something's supposed to be. There's a here we go. There's a trophy coming up. Looks like a golden pumpkin. Okay, oh, there's another trophy too. Okay, here we go. I also got a football. I think they meant soccer ball, but you know how in other places of the world they call soccer football. The people that write this software, they are in the UK, I believe. So it's probably just a soccer ball that I just picked up. I'm kind of surprised that it didn't have the name Wilson on it, but then again, it was pretty far away, so I couldn't see it that clearly. Okay, I'm getting sweaty, I'm getting tired. By the way, I am measuring my heart rate the whole time with my smartwatch, the Samsung smartwatch. I'm trying to work on my posture, so if I'm slouching through this whole ride, that is something I'm trying to correct. I mean, don't get me wrong, I know I'm getting some arm and some shoulder exercise here. Uh-oh, there's a speedboat coming through. Oh, this is not cool at all. Oh, what the heck? The speedboat's coming through, and they're creating some wake, and the dude is driving right next to me. That seems totally uncool. I wonder what's gonna happen. This is one reason why I like the idea of recording me when I'm doing something that I've never done before. It's always fun to catch the surprised look on people's faces, including mine. So, I don't know what's going on, but that speedboat is just hanging out here right on my side. And he's definitely blasting the other rowers. Just seems totally uncool. Although, he might actually be pushing me along because that wake he's generating, I'm in front of it. So, I might be using that wake like a dolphin. Anyways, we're at 8 minutes and nearly 9 minutes. So I got about another minute, unless I feel like I'm really gung-ho. Okay, I'm hopefully not slouching too much. Here we go, at least for the last minute. I'm gonna try to concentrate on good form, good posture. There we go. Well, the powerboat's still there. This is weird. I can't tell whether they're filming or whether they got a jukebox. I think that's a big camera that the dude's got. So there's one guy standing on the front with a big camera. Oh, the boat just took off and the dude fell off. The guy with the camera fell off and into the water. That was not cool at all. Those guys were really some inconsiderate dudes. Okay. Sorry, I just had to pick up another trophy. Okay, I'm getting there. I'm just about at the 10-minute mark, and I don't know if I really feel like going for much more today. I wanted to do a little something, and I wanted to try out the new GoPro, of course. So we'll see how that works. Also, I'm curious to see how good my posture was during parts of this row. Okay, I think I'm done. Let's go ahead and call it quits. And there are my stats. Let's take a look and see. I'm gonna go ahead and take a photo of the stats. It says that I went 1.8 kilometers and I did it in 10 minutes and 26 seconds, and that I burned 120 calories. The calorie part is usually not a very accurate measurement. Okay, there's a lot of trophies that I need to collect, so I'll be doing this one again for sure.